He's excited because we are at the dog park in the state that I live in the city that I live in. So, see, you heard that sound? All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And guys, today is a special day because today is my day to say I am very thankful, humble, and grateful and appreciative of you guys. That's right, you guys. Without you guys, there will be no Smoking Jazz Barbecue. So today we hit that 1K mark. Oh man, that 1K subs. I had never thought I would come this far and reach this little milestone. It's still a small milestone that we achieved, but nonetheless, it's a milestone that we have crossed over. So today, we're gonna be doing some giveaways. We're gonna talk a little about my background since some people are asking about it. Where did I come from? What's my culinary background? What's my barbecue background? And I'm gonna discuss all that. So before we do that, guys, me and my dog, as you can see right here, he's about to go get some exercise. I'm about to go get some exercise because we both desperately need some exercise because of all that Q that we be eating, and we need to burn some of those calories off. So guys, once we finish walking, I'm gonna go back to the house and I'm gonna share with you my entire story. So y'all stay tuned, and thank you so much for your support, guys. I truly appreciate it. All right, guys, so let's talk about my culinary background, my barbecue background, and where I'm originally from. So in the great state of Delaware, that's where I reside right now. In regards to where originally I'm from Philadelphia. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about my culinary background and my barbecue background. I don't have neither one of those. I never went to any culinary school. I never attended any barbecue camp or school whatsoever. I just know how to barbecue. I learned and practiced with a lot of many experiments, trial and error, and a lot of failures, a lot of disappointments. So, big thanks to my family because they have put up with some of the worst barbecue I ever done and some of the tastiest barbecue I ever done. So, everybody goes through this trial and error phase. So, and guys, thank you so much for your continuous support. That means a whole lot to me. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate all the time that you guys have spent watching my videos, the time to comment, the time to watch, and the time that you guys are taking from your busy schedules to sit down on your laptops, your tablets, your phones, or wherever you use to watch my videos. Thank you so much for the great opportunity to come into your home and to your personal space and share my videos and my experience, my thoughts, and my views on barbecue. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I'm looking forward to hit the 5K mark and perhaps one day the 10K mark and keep on climbing that ladder till I reach the very top. So hopefully I can get there soon or later. It doesn't matter. I'm here to enjoy. I'm here to have fun, and I thank you guys once again for doing that. But I do want to give a couple of shout outs to a couple of guys that helped me along the way to climb this big, giant, tall ladder that we're climbing right now. So let me highlight a couple of guys that I want to share with you. These guys are my brothers. I don't care what nobody says. These guys are phenomenal, and we have one thing in common that bounds all of us together. And what I mean by that is that we have the same mutual respect for some great barbecue. And when we mean by great barbecue, we follow the same rules and the same respect for each other. Man, these guys are phenomenal in making some great Q, guys. But let me highlight these guys real quick. The first guy I want to highlight is Paul from Paul's Q. Without this guy, there won't be no Smoking Jazz Barbecue. I had a small conversation with him before I started this channel, and he inspired me and said one thing: give it a whirl and see what happens. And because of that, today I'm here. So thank you so much, Paul, and I salute you, man, for inspiring me to open a channel and share my views, my thoughts, and my experiences in this barbecue world. Second guy I want to highlight is Cranium. Chris for Cranium Barbecue and Review. This guy has phenomenal barbecue, does great reviews on products, and he's the reason why I'm here today as well, because he has inspired me, he has helped me along, not just on the cooking side, but on the video side, and how to video, how to talk, and how to make my videos great. So big salute to you and big thanks to you as well, man. Thirdly, Charlie from Pickle's Barbecue. Man, this guy's phenomenal. He does some great barbecue with his WSM, makes phenomenal recipes on his Instant Pot. And this guy, man, can cook his butt off. Big salute to you and big thanks to you, because he was one of the first guys who helped me achieve when I had a little bit of subs, and helped me achieve to get over the 100 sub mark. So big thanks, brother. I appreciate you. The other guy that I wanted to highlight is Chilling and Grilling with Rob D. Brother Rob, mi hermano, gracias. You are the man, bro. You helped me a lot and tremendously. This guy right here, man, guys, go check out his channel. This Mexican dude can cook his butt off, can grill his butt off, and can barbecue his butt off, man. Got some phenomenal recipes that you guys are looking for a Spanish dish. Check out his channel. He got some great stuff. The next guy I want to talk about is Big Lou's Barbecue. This guy from Louisiana, man, you talk about barbecue. This guy got a lot of great barbecue videos. He is a phenomenal barbecue as well. I mean, this guy has every recipe that you can think of from A to Z on his playlist. And I look for him for inspiration to do some cooks as well, because I try to copycat some of this style. And Big Lou, thanks, man, for inspiring me, for helping me get to where I'm at today. And last but not least, my brother, my Christian brother, Scott from The Real Show Barbecue. Big salute to you, man. You helped me tremendously. You inspired me. You taught me a lot of tips and gave me some great advice on continuing my barbecue channel. And without you, man, I wouldn't have made it this far. So big thanks to you, man. This guy, guys, make sure you check out his channel. He has tremendous respect in the community of barbecue. He makes great barbecue, man. Phenomenal barbecue. I mean, he has so many grills, too many to name. So if you're looking to learn how to barbecue, check out his channel as well, guys. So, matter of fact, let's get started on the giveaway, because you know I'm making a little video a little too long, but I just want to get back to you guys. So we're gonna do the giveaway right now. So let's talk about the giveaways that I'm going to do. And anybody has the opportunity to win. And I'm going to choose 3 winners in 2 weeks. So guys, anybody can join. Anybody can comment down below. And that's all you got to do is comment down below. But there is a little twist. The twist is, it's going to be 3 questions. If you get them right, I'm going to send you one of these 3 products. The first, let's talk about the products. The first product is going to be an Instant Meat Pro thermometer from Weber. This thing is very accurate. It's what I've been using for a long time, and as you can see, I still got the plastic mark on it. So I'm going to send you a brand new Weber Meat Instant Reader thermometer. And if you don't like Weber, I'm going to send you the Expert Grill. This thing is accurate as well, and it's very handy when you're trying to check for temperatures. Guys, the last thing but not least, this is my favorite out of all things, because you know when you're cooking, the last thing you want to do, or when you're barbecuing, the last thing you want to do is burn your skin. So this thing right here, this mitten, it's going to come really handy, and it's heavy duty, as you can see right there, heavy duty grill mitten. So in order to win, guys, just comment down below and answer 3 simple questions. The first question is, my first challenge that I was tagged on, what was the item that I cooked? That's the first question. The second question is very simple. Guys, I have a shadow, which is my dog. What is my dog's name? And thirdly, but not least, in the pork butt video that I did on a Pit Boss Also Excel, who is the guy that I did the collaboration with? Guys, if you get the answer to one of these 3 questions, make sure you comment down below. I'm gonna choose 3 winners in about a week or 2. And guys, make sure you reply back to my email, which is in my about page. And once I choose the winner, you have 2 weeks to reply. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for sharing my videos with all your family and friends. I truly appreciate it. Guys, I'm looking forward to that 5K mark or that 10K mark, or wherever this letter takes me to. Big salute to everyone, and I look forward to see you next week in my next video. Thank you so much. Y'all have a blessed week. Until we meet again, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.